Texas, this is a New Country 96.3 severe weather alert.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Kaufman County, northwestern Henderson County, and northeastern Ellis County until 3:45. A severe thunderstorm is located near the Dallas-Ellis County line near Red Oak, moving east at 30 miles per hour toward southwestern Kaufman, northwestern Henderson, and northeastern Ellis County under new severe thunderstorm warnings until 3:45. Storm near Red Oak moving east at 30 miles per hour with potential half-dollar sized hail. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Number one for New Country.
96.3. Dallas-Fort Worth.